Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you guys that Echo Park is having another warehouse sale. So we are going to click in here and see what they got, and they've got a ton of categories. I'm just going to move you guys over just a little bit. This time I decided to actually set up my tripod so I'm not holding my camera the whole entire time. So I hope this is a little bit better to share with you guys what they have going on. And as you guys know, I do not get paid to share this. They're not sponsoring me. I'm not making a commission. And when you guys buy anything, I'm just sharing because Echo Park is honestly one of my favorite paper collections and paper brands to craft with, Echo Park and Cartabella, and I just love it. So I just love to share the sales with you guys. So moving on here, actually I'm gonna zoom, I'm gonna go down a little bit so you guys can see a little bit more of my screen and what they got. So if you guys are looking to craft Halloween, obviously Halloween is right around the corner. They've got some Halloween paper collections, but also definitely shop the Christmas. Christmas is literally right around the corner just as well. They've got baby collections, a Halloween party. I love that one. It's a boy. I love that. They've got Disney collections. They've got Good to Be Home. Actually, that's a new one, and I believe, and that's one that I don't have, and I've been having my eye on it. So I just added that to my cart. Let's see what else they got here. They've got summer, 4th of July, more Christmas. They got Wizards and Company, which is like a Harry Potter kind of collection. This one right here. Summer collections, and yeah, they've got a lot going on. This Dynamite collection, you guys, is so cute. I still have to make something with the collection that I bought, but my nephew loves dinosaurs and I've been wanting to make something for him. And I did also get some dinosaur paper from Poland, which you guys will see in an upcoming video. So I need to really make something for him with some dinosaur paper. But they've got 3 pages of this. They've also got football. They've got basketball collections. And these are full-size collections, perfect for you to make an album. Actually, I only have the 6x6, so I might get the 12x12. They've got Pirates, School Days. This is like a vintagey collection, but it is actually, I have the Ephemera from that. I don't think I have the collection. Maybe I do. I have to double check, but I'm going to add that to my cart. Oh, they have this basketball collection also. Like, I don't have those collections, and I feel like they'd be good to have those kinds of albums in my shop for, you know, I know a lot of people have kids that do sports, so that would be a great album. This little Explorer collection is adorable as well. They've got Valentine's Day one, and you guys know Valentine's Day comes right after Christmas, and I feel like I never have time to craft Valentine's Day, so definitely get a head start if that's you too. They've got the doggy themed collection, so my dog and Bark, though they don't have I love my dog, they do have I love my cat. But I love my dog is one of my favorites. Oh, this Our Baby collection, that's a favorite. That's a neutral baby collection that I love. And then they've also got some fall collections, and yeah, just look, St. Patrick's Day, and yeah, definitely something you guys might want to look through if you guys have your eyes on anything. And the collections are $7.50 each, or 4 for $28, or 10 for $65, which if you get 10 of them, it equals to about $6.50 a collection, which is still cheaper than you're gonna find them elsewhere. They've got some bundles going on here. So I see a Disney themed one, and then a few Christmas ones, and then a baby boy themed bundle as well. Those go for $35. Those are on sale as well. They've got 6x6 paper pads, and these are $4 each, or 3 for $10. The Love Notes is such a cute collection, and they have all the Our Baby ones, the neutral, the boy and the girl, which is awesome. They've got fall collections. They've got baseball, a 6x6. The Dynamite 6x6, so cute, you guys. I have so many things I need to make, and I just need to, like, I don't know how I'm gonna get all these projects out of my head and actually made, because I have so much I want to make, you guys. But yeah, all these projects take time, but I'm happy to finally be back and doing all the things. So they have ephemera. You could get all your matching ephemera for all those Our Baby collections, the neutral, the boy, and the girl themed ones. That is awesome. They've got some winter ephemera. I didn't really see any winter paper collections, but I also wasn't looking that hard, so I don't know. But they've got a few winter ephemera ones. They've got the love notes. They have the dynamite. Oh, I might need that actually. I gotta check to see if I have that. Ooh, they have dynamite frames and tags and the ephemera. So I just added those to my cart, but I'm trying to be really good with not buying anything. So I'm like adding this to my cart, but then I'm probably going to ignore it for a little bit. And then just kind of let the sale go over, because I have a lot in my stash. If you guys have seen my what's in my stash videos, you guys know I have a ton and I really don't need anything. So this year, what I'm trying to do, they have a lot of Halloween ones and fall ones here. Like this is all fall and Halloween right there. So I'm really trying to use up my stash this year, especially because I quit teaching and now I feel like I just need to make more than I buy more. So that's where I'm at. I definitely need to just use up my stash. They have brads, decorative brads, and chipboard. So they've got some little chipboard elements on here. I don't tend to use these. I usually just get like a couple of fall and some Christmas ones, because those are the ones that I generally use. But other than that, I really don't use them. A chipboard, if you like to do memory decks cards or lots of layers and things like that, these are great then. In my albums, I tend to not use them either, because I just don't want to bulk up my albums way too much. I might use one like here or there, and if I do, I take off a lot of the chipboard backing to make it flatter. So, I mean, that's an option that you could do also. And those are $2. Then they have mega pads for $5. I was recently using this fall fun one, and I still gotta finish using it. So you guys are gonna see the finished projects with that. I think I did, yeah, one album with that. But I still have a lot more paper, so I gotta use it more. But yeah, they got all the baby ones. No, they have Our Baby boy and baby girl. They don't have the neutral one in the mega pad, but they had it in the 6x6. So those are fun. Then they have enamel dots for $3 each, which in my opinion is a little bit expensive. I think you guys should get yourself some Nuvo drops from scrapbook.com and use those Nuvo drops to make your own enamel dots. That's what I've been doing and I love it. Then, ooh, this is such, okay, yes. If you guys saw, no, I did not post that video yet. So I recently shared in a video that I filmed today, but it's not posted yet, that I was looking for that sage colored cardstock, and I'm trying to match it to this. Okay, if you guys could see that color, it is like a sage, and I love that color for like my leafy things. So I think I might actually have to place an order today, because I really need that sage color. Let's get, I don't know, a few of those. No, that's maybe too many. Maybe 5 is good. That's gonna give me a lot of leafy bits. So yeah, I needed that sage color, and then I do want some orange, like a pumpkin colored orange. So that looks like a good one, because I have like a bright orange. I didn't have like a toned down one. Ooh, that's a peach color, but that looks like a toned down yellow, and I feel like I need that one also. All right, I think we're good on that. Then they have puffy stickers, so you guys can mix and match to whatever collections you have in your stash. They don't have a ton, but they have some. The photo sleeves, I don't use these, but if you guys use those albums, then you could stock up on these. But I do have some 6x8s in my stash. Sometimes I use the 6x8s occasionally, but I don't use them often. Then sticker books. Okay, yes, sticker books. I like to get fall and Christmas. These have been so helpful when I'm making all the things and I just need a couple of stickers to decorate. So I think the Wonderful Christmas one is a great one. And you could see when you click on these, you could see what sticker sheets are included. So if you look at that, you guys could kind of see what stickers you have. No, this is not one that I have. No, I don't think I have that one. The one I have might not even be on here. No. So they only have those few, 2, 3 Christmas ones. Christmas Time, Wonderful Christmas, Holly Jolly. But look through them, see what you might need. I do have the Fall Fun, but see what you might need because they do come in handy. Then they have sticker sheets. So, I mean, if you're getting a collection kit, you don't need this. But if you are getting single sheets or you have single sheets in your stash or you make a lot of stuff with stickers, then you could look into this. But otherwise, the collection kits already come with sticker sheets. But those are $2 each. Then you have the solid kits. These are $3 each. Oh, I do need the Fall Fun one actually. Because I have 2 albums going with the... No, I have 3? No, 2 albums, I think. No, I have 3 actually albums going with the Fall Fun collection because I used a whole collection kit and then I started using a mega pad. So I have 3 projects going with that. So I think I'm going to need some of those solids. That's actually really good that they had that because yes, I actually did need those. Actually, maybe I'll get like 2 of those because I think I have another collection in my stash. They have stencils going on here. They're $3 each. If you guys are into mixed media or want to get started on it, this is great. This apple one is cute, and I'm not even thinking of it in terms of like crafty, but I recently set up a sensory table for my niece and nephew, which is apple themed. And this might be good. They could use the stencil and draw some apples or stamp on some apples in there. So, and it's only $3. I'm gonna think about that one before I add it to my cart. But they have a lot of stencils here, and they've got a couple of pages of stencils, you guys. So that's something you might want to check out. They have some die sets. These are $10 each, on sale from $23. They got clouds, balloons, this circle stitched die set, this triangular nesting die set, and just a couple of others. I love the ones with the dinosaur. I feel like I could use those at some point, but I also can't justify spending $10 for like one dinosaur. There's a bunch. I would need all of them because my nephew loves dinosaurs, so I would need them all, but I don't know. We'll see. I might just, I have a die cutting machine. I have a Silhouette. I could just cut them out on there. But they have some stamps also. These are $5 each. So if you guys need some sentiments for Christmas, for your cards, or Halloween, or fall, or whatever it is. Ooh, class of something. Oh, that might be a good stamp set to have in my stash, actually. Anyway, so they've got some stamp sets going on here. If you guys, need some more stamps. And I love the sentiment stamps. Those are my favorite. And then they had another section for mega pads by accident. They had a double section of that on the website because they had it right here and then they had it again at the end. So anyway, you guys, that is everything for the fall warehouse sale. Let me know what you guys are going to pick up, if anything. I gotta go through my cart now and see what I want to pick up and what I don't want to pick up, and see, like, this is the problem. See, I don't have enough collection kits, and now I have to go back and add more. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 10 in order to get them for $6.50. So if I don't have 10, I'm gonna end up getting 0. So we'll see, you guys. But free shipping if you have $50 and over, so keep that in mind. Anyway, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.